Do you want to speak English but you don't know where to start? So you should start with your daily life. Hello everyone, I am Ranjita. Welcome to day 3 of 30 days English speaking challenge. So today I want to share how to start practice in English in your daily life because I am doing everyday practice. Every day I am if I am doing anything in my house, so I do practice in English, I speak in English. So let's begin. In the morning you can speak English, like I wake up early in the morning, I need to go to washroom, I need to go to kitchen for breakfast, means I need to make breakfast for my children, I need to make them ready for their school, I need to pack lunch box for them. I need to drop them at their bus stop. And I need to send my husband too. I need to pack lunch box for him also. So you can describe your routine, means your morning in English. This is a simple sentences. There is no need to difficult English because if you are beginner, so you should start with simple English and see if you start these sentences, then after sometimes you will get more fluency. Okay, so every little moment, every little speaking practice, it begins fluency. So you should start with simple English. You can speak English while doing house chores, while cooking, while ironing the clothes, while folding the clothes, and while cleaning the house. You can simply say in English. Then you can think in English. Whatever you are doing, so you can simply say in English, then you will get fluency. This is the best part of learning this language, means I can practice while cooking, and sometimes not every day, but sometimes I do practice while cooking, like if I am cutting vegetables, so I can say I need to cut this vegetable, I need to cut potato, I need to cut tomato, and I need to add some salt, I need to add some water, I put some oil, I make it ready, and now my vegetable is ready for it. And if you are making tea, you can simply say I am making tea, I need to take a bowl and means pot, and I need to add some milk, then I need to add tea leaves and jaggery or sugar, you can say. Means whatever you are doing, you can simply say in English. Then in this way you can practice English. So there is no need to get extra time for practice, and whatever you are doing, so you can simply say in English. While ironing, you can speak English, like I am ironing the cloth. This cloth is for my younger one. He likes very much this cloth. This cloth color is red, and I am ironing nicely. While washing the dishes, you can simply say I am washing the dishes. This utensil is very dirty, and now I am rinsing the dishes, and now it's done. While arranging the cloth, you can speak English. Like, I am folding this cloth. This cloth is mine and its color is purple. Now I am folding my younger one's cloth. This color is school dress, I can say. And this cloth color is orange. So you can speak like this. You can speak with your children like, how was your day? How was your school? And have you packed your bag? Have you done your homework? Did you take your lunch on time? So simply you can speak with them. In the evening also you can speak English. Like, if you are tired, so you can say, I am tired little bit. You can say that. And if you need tea, so you can say, I should take tea because I am tired. And now I have to make food. So what should prepare for dinner? You can simply say. And I I help my children in their studies. So I I can say, I am helping my children to their studies. And when at night you can say, I prepared dinner and now it's time to serve dinner. So you can simply say. And then you can say, um, it's time to take rest, means it's time to take sleep. So you can say, I am going to bed and now I am sleeping. You can say that. So whatever you feel, whatever you think in, so you can simply in English you can speak. Now it's your turn to speak English. Whatever you are doing, like, I am sitting on the chair. Now I am watching mobile. Now I am practicing English. Now I am taking tea. Now I am making video. So these simple sentences you can make and you can try. So this challenge for you, you have to write one sentence in the comment box. Then I will read and I will reply you. So accept this challenge and use English in your daily routine. Then you will be fluent and you can learn easily. There is no need to get extra time for English speaking. Whatever you are doing in home, you can speak in English. So this was day 3 of 30 days English speaking challenge. If you are following my channel, so keep practicing and keep smiling. We will meet tomorrow of day 4, and until then, bye bye.